Today we're looking at part number T3D9. This is your 1/2 inch by 20 by 1 3/4 inch trailer stud, commonly used on 2K axles and 3,500 pound axles. It has the identifying marks on it of T3D9, little short stud here. We're gonna check it out. So this is part number T3D9. This is your 1/2 inch by 20 by 1 3/4 inch long trailer wheel hub stud, and we'll just measure it out real quick. So the overall length of this guy right here is going to be 1.96 inches. It's going to be, well, this says 0.48, but on the threads, the knurl diameter is going to be 0.53. It has the identifying marks on it of T3D9, if you can see that. The head on it is 0.69 inches. The thread length is 1.10 inches, 0.52 inch knurl diameter by 0.63. So yeah, there's like 1,000 different studs being used out there on various trailer hubs. It really doesn't matter what brand it is, whether it be Dexter, Carter, Lippard, Rockwell, the list goes on and on. I mean, for example, like Dexter, they have probably at least 8 or 10 different wheel studs they use just on their 3,500 pound hubs. So it's always good to check the diameter right here, where it actually presses into the hub. You want to make sure this part is correct measurement, because if this one is too big and or too small, then it's just going to either be loose in there and fall right out, or it's going to be too big to actually get in the hole of the hub for you to press it in. So always check that measurement. And if you need some of these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com, or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas. We'll sell you one of them, a bag of 10, a box of 50, or a case of 300. Thanks for watching.